Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to make a quiz on Google Forms. We will also view the output questions and results. Google Forms makes it easy to build quizzes with automatic grading. To begin, open your form and create a question that you want. In my case, I created a sample question for this video. Click on Settings and toggle on Make This a Quiz. Here you can adjust different settings for the quiz. You can set options like missed questions, correct answers, and point values. Set the point value to any number you want. For example, you can set it to 10 and it will be saved. You can also collect email addresses by selecting Responder or Verified. Responders will be asked to sign in and their email will be collected. You can adjust presentation options like showing the progress bar and shuffling questions. This is useful if you have many questions or very long questions. Turning on Shuffle Question Order helps prevent responders from getting questions in sequence. Adjust the remaining settings to your liking and click Publish. After publishing, copy the link and send it to the responders. Once they complete the quiz, click on the Responses tab. You will see all the responses listed here. For a detailed report, click on the View in Sheets icon. This exports all quiz data to Google Sheets for analysis or record keeping. These steps make Google Forms a powerful tool for teachers, trainers, and assessments. It provides automated scoring and organized results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.